Maybe they're practicing.
I've got 3 parts. The leaves are beginning to, I keep meaning to move them into shape.
But that one's only just fledged. Because its feathers all fluffy.
You still have the down.
Yeah.
Yeah, but when Tim came, he said that Helen had to tie up at the top and they come down. But he has got them on the ground, but they're all sitting on the ground. They haven't gone up. We had some last year that they went up. We'll get rid of those at time. I've been climbing. And then...
I thought you were going to sit in your hat there for a minute.
Yeah, that too.
No, I thought you
Hear them. I know.
thought you was going on your hat.
Yeah, they said that to me. Well, I've got one in autumn, so that's okay. The other 2 are on the step. And I thought that was